is it even worth it if we're planning on upgrading the car in the next couple months anyway?
Well, when you lube the bejesus out of it, did it go away?
Yep.
Well, there you go.
So like when I end up selling it, like obviously if I'm selling it private party, I would be like, hey, this needs replaced.
Yeah,
but if we're just gonna end up trading this in, screw them, right?
Right. They'll figure it out.
They'll figure it out. Not my problem, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, I
you
decided
got to give it to you got to sell it to one of those online services that buys your car like sight unseen. They you input the VIN and they give you a price for it and they come pick it up.
Have you ever done that before?
Oh, my dad did it for his last truck, apparently.
Get a decent bid on it?
He got more from the online service that had never seen it before than the dealership where he tried to take it to trade it in on something else.
Well, I mean, I get that, right?
Yeah.
I did my last few like that, and it was very, like, they gave me the highest bid, bigger than, like, any, dealer was willing to give me on a trade-in. And then whenever they came out, or I took the car to them because they're just, like, it's big city. It's just right up the road.
Sure.
So I took the car into them. The lady comes out with a little clipboard. She looks at the car, looks at the VIN, looks at the license plate, all that stuff, makes a couple checks, and she's like, here you go. Writes and hands me a check. And
didn't even turn the car on.
No.
Yeah.
Because I pulled up in it, but yeah.
Yeah. They're not concerned with the details, I don't think.
No. We did the same thing when we sold Mandy's car, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago or something. Dude, this thing was burning oil like nobody's business, overheating like, just crazy. This car was having a meltdown, right? And so we took it over to like CarMax or whatever. I'm just like, let's just see what they're gonna give you. That way, when you go to like trade it in or whatever, you at least have a baseline of like, oh, well, this place said they were gonna give me this, right?
Yeah.
We went on Kelley Blue Book. We're like, the value of this car is like $3,500 or whatever. We're like, whatever, we'll just go to CarMax. We pull in the lot, and I was like, hey, park in this Joann Fabrics parking lot for like 20 minutes, let the car cool down. Then we'll go over to CarMax, right?
Smart.
So we go over to CarMax, and I'm like, they're gonna tell me to just like pound sand, right? And they're like, all right, we're go out and check the car. We see them outside. They did the same thing, just kind of like looked at the car, didn't bother to turn it on, didn't pop the hood open or anything.
No.
They're like, we'll give you $5,500. We're like, what?
Wow.
Okay. And so we weren't even planning on selling the car that day. And she looked at me. She goes, we'll be fine with one car for a short period of time. I was like, yeah.
100%.
Sell this thing right now. Like, are you kidding me? Like, sometimes you just got to try. But my assumption is that like a CarMax or whatever, like their whole thing is they want to buy the car for as cheap as they possibly can and then resell it. Like they buy it wholesale. Yeah. Like that's the business. Like,
I don't know why these like third-party resellers are always able to offer so much more than dealerships. I guess dealerships just kind of screw you. But
high volume, quick turnover. The dealership's planning on it sitting there for a while. They can't transfer as easily.
Yeah.
You think that's what it is?
I think that's what it is.
Yeah, that's a good point.
That and they got they got to split that commission between multiple people and so on and so. And like CarMax, I don't think they get. Yeah, I don't think they work off a commission or anything. I think it's just like they make whatever they make. Whatever. Yeah, so they don't care if you buy or sell. They're just like, we're here to do the job.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
they honestly probably prefer you didn't because then they would have to do paperwork and stuff.
Right. Yeah, I'd prefer it.